my name is Rocky Reina. We are going to make fresh milled spelt tortillas today. The process takes about an hour from start to finish. The reason we're making spelt tortillas is spelt actually is easier to work with. The hard red and the hard white are the only other berries that I've used for tortillas so far, and the spelt just is absolutely amazing by far. Okay. So this is actually a recipe that I found from another fresh mill homesteader woman, and I can link that video below as well, but I kind of vamped up hers a little bit because I have like almost tripled the batch, but also I add a little maple syrup in to the mix. I'm going to just mix the maple syrup, and I do about 4 extra tablespoons, 4 plus. So you're mixing in the oil and the maple together first, and I like to scrape all that oil and maple. We're adding the water slow to look for a tortilla dough consistency. So it's not too sticky. It's almost a little bit on the drier side. This is gonna knead for about 5 minutes. We have about 3 minutes left. So here is my dough. This is honestly my favorite part, because look, it just came out clean, and I love that. Now I was just tearing them off. This is going to make a lot of tortillas, and so to be consistent with everything, just kind of breaking it down into the tiniest portions, and then after we're done making like the actual final product, then you let them rise for 20 minutes. So a dough ball this size will probably make 8 to 10 tortillas, depending on how small I make them. We like ours like maybe a little bit wider than the palms, so that way we can eat smaller tacos, but a lot of them. Pinch them together and then roll them into a ball like my Lita taught me. So I like them about this size.
Our technique here is try to get a circle.
See, it spreads out quite a bit, so you want them to be a little thicker, you just make, or even a little bigger, make the dough balls a little bigger. Woo! Woo! Nice. Woo!
Nice line. You can see sometimes they're not so round. All right, Bella, what are we doing here?
Just flipping the tortillas before they burn.
Before they burn. They're good. Yum. Oh, that's really good. Yum.
Yep. The recipe will be in the comments below, so make sure you look at that and let us know if you try it. We're really curious to know if you like them as much as we do. Oh yeah, And also remember to like, share, and subscribe our video. Thanks for watching.